Welcome to Geetu's Home Kitchen Experiences. Today I am going to make hot chili paneer pizza. For this I have 4 cups of chapati flour. I am using the standard 250 ml size for this recipe. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt. You may use sea salt as well. Mix these dry ingredients. I have sunflower oil with me. You can use any other cooking oil that is available. I am taking 2 tablespoons. Please do not use butter. And now I am going to use homemade yogurt. You can use even Greek style yogurt or any other yogurt available with you. Now mix these ingredients well till the whole yogurt and oil gets nicely absorbed into the chapati flour. You can see the chapati flour texture is getting crumbly. The oil and yogurt is nicely being taken up by the flour. I have 1 cup of water. I am going to use a little water at a time to make the dough. For this recipe, we need to make the dough a little harder than the regular chapati flour. It shouldn't be too hard, but we need to be careful. So I'm just going to add a little water at a time and use medium pressure to bring the dough together. You can see now the dough has started getting to a consistency where it is going to come together into a nice big ball. I am going to use 1 last tablespoon of oil. This will help to make the dough more stretchy with the gluten in the chapati flour. The dough is slightly dry. I am going to take some more water. You can see here that I have been very careful with the quantity of water that I am using. I am trying to bring the dough together slowly, and I will need just one more last bit. It has started leaving the bowl. The sides of the bowl are slowly getting cleaner. All the dough is coming together. You can see the pressure with my hands. It's nice and tough, but not too hard. The consistency, it's not too hard, it's medium. I'm going to cover it with a lid. Let it rest for 25 minutes. I had 1 cup of water and I'm left with just a little over half a cup. I have 350 grams of paneer cheese. This is the same paneer cheese which I had used for the ice cream recipe. In a pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. You can use butter or cooking oil. I'm going to add chopped green chili, onion and garlic cloves. I have used the big fat chili here, the green chili, because I like the flavor. It gives a lovely aroma. I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes till the onions get nice and soft and the garlic and chili also are cooked well. Use medium flame and try to stir a little. You can see now the onions have changed the color slightly. They've become soft. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes from the tin. If you have fresh tomato, you can use 1 chopped fresh tomato. Mix it nicely. We are going to cook this till the tomato raw smell goes away. Now the tomatoes look cooked. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is really hot red chili powder. You can adjust according to your taste. I'm also going to add half teaspoon coriander powder, and I have garam masala with me. If you don't have, you can miss it out, but I'm adding 1 teaspoon garam masala. It gives a lovely flavor to the paneer cheese masala. You can already see the mixture has got a nice color and it really smells nice. You can see the color looks lovely. I'm going to add the paneer cheese, and now we'll need only 2 to 3 minutes and the cheese will be nice and soft. I have put the recipe of paneer cheese in the description box. You can see the color, it's nice. It's just taken 2 minutes, it's cooked. I'm going to add the salt. Add the salt as per your taste. And I'm going to switch off the gas. Mix it well. Allow this mixture to cool a little and just gently mash it with your hands to make it a little soft paste. You don't need to blend it in a mixer. Our dough has been resting for 25 minutes now. It's nice and stretchy. I'm just going to knead it a little. Dust some flour on a clean kitchen surface. And I'm going to now break this into 2 small equal portions. Now on this flour, I'm just going to give it a slight roll. This will make it nice and stretchy. Just for 2 minutes, and roll it into a nice round ball. Now dust some flour below and on top of this dough, and we are ready to roll. Roll it with medium pressure and try to take care that the thickness remains uniform all round. We are going to roll it out into a medium size base, and I'm going to show you the thickness once we are ready. So we are ready. I'm going to show you. You can see it's just almost approximately ½ inch thick, and all round the thickness is the same. I have a greased baking tray here. Place this on this tray, and now we're just going to level it from all sides so that the toppings can be safely placed on it. I have made a hot chili sauce for this pizza specially, but you may use any pizza tomato sauce of your choice. I'll be soon posting the recipe for this homemade hot chili sauce. I'm just going to nicely spread a thick layer of this sauce. For the next layer, we are ready with our paneer cheese masala. I'm going to liberally use this and spread it nicely. This really enhances the taste of the pizza, and it's very filling as well. Spread it nicely and evenly. A nice thick layer. For my third layer, I'm going to add mushrooms, pepper and tomatoes. You can use vegetables of your choice. And then I'm going to top it up with a nice liberal layer of cheddar cheese. You can use any hard cheese. I also have some dried thyme with me. I'm going to sprinkle the dried thyme leaves, and I'm going to cook it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius or gas mark 5 for 20 minutes. Wow, our pizza is all ready. It looks yummy. It just smells too good, friends. I'm going to cut the pizza. It cuts very easily. The texture is really nice. The cheese has melted. The vegetables look nice, and let me tell you, friends, we can make 2 pizzas, medium-sized pizzas with this recipe. So enjoy this pizza hot. I'm just going to lift a piece and show you. So friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the red icon below to get further notifications.